back. We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we are live. How you doing, Jomo?
I'm doing good, CM. I'm doing good, CM. Thank you very much, man. Another day in the grind of trading and investing in the crypto world. What a day we're having. The China, United States news is hitting the markets like a thermal, man. I love it. I love it. You know how much I love the markets. What's up with you? What is it here? How are people feeling, CM? Do you think the energy is here? People are here
Uh,
watching, giving the comments,
yeah, guys,
smashing.
smash the like, cook the like, leave questions. Look, man, we had a very euphoric day today. Everything started amazing, and now we're seeing maybe some kind of a slowdown in the fundamentals. And
Fundamentals.
And yeah, this is something to be expected. This is something to be expected in a bull market. Let's look on the chart, shall we? Let's look on the chart. Let me know if you see my chart now.
I see, but CM, in the live this morning, you said that everything feels euphoric. Probably it's going to be time of a correction. You nailed
Yeah,
it on the buzzer, man. You said it this morning.
yeah. It is. It is. Everybody euphoric, man. Bitcoin is at resistance. Everybody aping into meme coins. All the newbies aping into meme coins after they exploded 5x, and that's where the shakeout comes. The
Yeah.
shakeout. And if you look carefully, we actually completed maybe speculating 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here for the Bitcoin first move up in this bull run into the summer or later. That's what we're looking for. So we just completed could be again the first wave, and now we're looking for the pullback. What do you think about this speculation?
Yeah, man. I mean, the speculation is fine and dandy. Look, what I think is just, look. Let me share some things, CM, if you will allow me. Okay, I want to share some things over here. Okay, so the DXY is getting love. Okay, what my assumption is that everything United States is getting love today because they got hammered in the past. Since tariff issues were on the table, everything US dollar got hammered, and now because of the whatever happening with China and the tariffs and everything, the 90% the 90 days postponed in the tariffs, everything is getting right now love because it was really oversold. If you'll take even a look at the Qs, you will see that they are getting love as well after kind of getting a rounded bottom over here. So what I think is happening today, people bought Bitcoin in anticipation of bad US dollar and bad stock market and whatever, and now it's reversing. People selling a bit of Bitcoin, buying the other shit. I think it's just rebalancing of some of the portfolios of people. I don't think this is going to be a huge correction. Look, I would love it to stay above the 100K. It can go below it, but I wouldn't love that, right? I would say that it's not as strong as I would want it to be.
Bro, it's
But
gonna drop below the 100. Come on, man.
oh, you are predicting now. You are saying
Yes,
everything.
yes.
It's
Bitcoin,
certain it's going to go below the 100 right now. That's what
Bitcoin
you're saying.
max pain, bro. Bitcoin max pain, bro.
Maybe, man.
I,
Maybe.
I would be
I'm not trying to
surprised.
speculate here. I'm trying to say people that I don't want it to go because then the strength I want in the market is not going to be there. It can go below and it can go even retest over here. I think that's normal action. I think anything below this level will be abnormal action, which I wouldn't like. And that's what I'm trying to say to people over here. I'm trying to illustrate a macro picture of what's happening today. People always are looking for reasons. And these are the reasons, man. And I think that, look, this can be bought in one day. You don't need to, be all, fearful about this can dump and whatever. This can be bought tomorrow, okay, or not. It can continue. We don't know what the future is going to hold. But what I'm just saying is that in a day like this, where I think there's a rebalance in huge portfolios, I think this is perfectly natural. That's it.
Absolutely. Let me show you my speculation with the Bitcoin. Look, man, you had a beautiful move up, man. Like you had a beautiful move up from the lows, straight up, no pullback, only sideways move. 40% on the span of like 30, 35-ish day, 35 each day, only up, 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 only up. You know, exactly. Look how it fits the arrow, man. Only up. Now, probably, probably, man, I wouldn't be surprised to see a little down, man, into
Yeah, for
maybe
sure.
back to retest. Look at it. Look what's coming. By the way, Jomo, you're gonna get a golden cross. Usually, crypto pulling back into the golden crosses. It is what it is. It's always doing that. You get a golden cross, a bullish, very bullish signal, new bull market signal, but the price is pulling back, and retail and like people scratching their heads. What the fuck is going on? How can it be? We just had a golden cross. Yeah, man, we get a golden cross retest, and we're gonna get the golden cross probably in the next couple of days. So again, I will not be surprised to see it retest, and obviously pull back the entire crypto market with it, because Bitcoin is the daddy. You know, guys, Bitcoin is the daddy. That's why we're inviting you all to our trading community, our trading service, because we know Bitcoin is the daddy. Our members are protected. They already locked in massive gains. They have bunch of cash ready to on the sidelines to buy the dip. They're gonna probably, if Bitcoin will do a big pullback, gonna get stocked out on everything in a very beautiful profits, and then we're gonna wait and buy the dip like we always do. So make sure to join our community link below. Let's look on the question, by the way, if we have any question here. Mhm. Uh, Lots of liquidity down 93K. You think it will go down that far? I wouldn't be surprised, sir. The golden cross is going to happen around the 90K range. So, it could retest it. It could. It's Bitcoin. They can do like the flash wicks down. Like to stop out everybody and then send it back to the moon. You know. What else we have here? The two best guys in crypto. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Another member. By the way,
Mr. Jazz.
Jazz, Mr. Jazz, let us know what was your best trade with us in the last 2 weeks. Please drop it below, sir. We want to hear what was your most successful, profitable trade in the community. Drop it below, sir. What do we have here? What's the expected local top forecast after it retests support? Man, I'm just gonna open my crystal ball.
No, but it already had one CM. The local top right now is 13 cents.
Let's look on the local top. Let's look on the local top.
That's what happened today.
Yeah, it actually looks like a local top here. You are correct. You can see that again. This candle is not closed yet. Didn't close yet, but you get a very long topping tail here. You can see a topping tail here, all the way back. Bring back the entire move of today and some. Now look, yeah, it could definitely be a topping. And again, Kaspa is just mimicking Bitcoin. You can see you had here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completed. Now again, this could be the end of this move of Kaspa, and then we're gonna get a pullback and another continuation move up, probably to its all-time highs, and then we'll see. But what? Oh, the question, the retest, man, it can retest the 50-day MA at 80, at 82, easy peasy. If Bitcoin doing a nasty pullback, it can pull back all the way to the double bottom, man. This is an altcoin. I will not be surprised of a major pullback, because these are altcoins. Again, we love Kaspa. We believe Kaspa is the daddy of the altcoins, is the daddy boy. But it's also pulling back with Bitcoin. It is what it is, man. Well, let's see. What is this dump? Got smashed. Yes, sir. Welcome to crypto. Welcome to crypto, man. That's not a dump.
No, man, he's asking for a reason. I gave the reason just a few moments ago. The rebalancing of people between the US dollar, stocks, and other assets which we're diversified to.
I'm thinking 93K, scoop up all that liquidity, then back up to the moon, baby, to the moon, to the moon. Let's go. Pump this mark. Joe, bring the printer. The printer.
I'm sorry, I forgot it at the bank. I'm gonna bring it tomorrow.
You better. Bot
You
Turbo
better.
free. Yay. Bot Turbo free. Good for you,
Let's
sir.
go.
Good for
Let's
you,
go.
sir. Kusama. Man.
Yeah, I forgot about this coin, man. I didn't trade it for a while.
Who? Which one?
Kusama.
The KSM nonsense. It sounds like Osama bin Laden. It sounds like a terrorist coin. Baboom. Uh,
There's a resurrection of people believing right now in Osama bin Laden, man.
Guys, make sure to click the like, subscribe to the channel, click the bell. We're gonna keep you posted on all the next upcoming opportunity in this market. Make sure to join the community link below and scan the QR code for our Master the Bull webinar. Where is this? Where is this? It's back here where we're gonna share with you the top strategies to trade this bull market. We're gonna have probably another couple of months if we're lucky to trade this bull market. So you better join this webinar, this seminar, because it's going to allow you to profit 10 times more than you can by yourself and retain the gains. That's what you want. You want a strategy to retain the gains and not doing the round trip like you did back in January 2025. Round trip all your crypto gains because you never took your profit and you never used stops and you never risk management and so on and so and so. Also, we're going to give you free full coin list of the best performing coins that you want to put on your radar for breakout trades for this bull run. Yes, yes, free money webinar. Join us. Book your spot now before it's getting too crowded. Let's look on the
Here,
stuff.
let's show my chart. Let me take a look at the KSM. Look, this is KSM long-term chart. I'm going to move it to the weekly so people can actually see it. Look at this is Kusama, by the way. This is Kusama bin Laden because it bombed. It bombed everything and went all the way down. It's a shell of itself. This was a huge performer back in 2021. I remember trading this, man. And look, this is right now in a long period of neglect. Okay, long period of neglect can be a death sentence for a coin, meaning it will never get out of the neglect phase, or potentially in the future, because we don't know why, it can break out of it. Okay, who knows when in the future this can do something like this and bam, break this area of neglect. Once that happens, right, once you get out of the neglect phase, that's where you want to start getting interested in Kusama, right? That's when, and that's when that's where it usually prints, whenever it will get out of that neglect phase. Until then, you better trade other strong assets that are in an accumulation phase, right, not in a neglect phase. You can see, look, you just need two eyes to look at this chart. Even if you don't understand, yeah, you see that this was a big move. And this is right now just rubbish, right? Just waiting for something to happen because there's no interest in the coin. So, bottom line, KSM, Kusama got bombed and haven't seen the light of day ever since.
Usama, go F your mama.
Go F your mama, man. Well,
Usama.
above this, $60 area, that's where maybe a new bull run starts for Kusama.
Bro, I actually just put an alert on this Kusama on the top of the neglect phase, just in case, maybe one day it's gonna trigger and then we're gonna smoke it like we always do.
Smoke it.
We have a Jazz comment. Jazz, best trade was Caspa by far. Bought the breakout as your signal, locking the gains, didn't get greedy, play with leverage. Thanks for keeping it real. Thank you, Jazz. Thank you, Jazz. We salute you, Jazz. Jazz, we salute you. Saludos to Jazz. Boom.
Thank you, Jazz.
Guys, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, share this live on your X account. Share us on your X account. Give us some X love. And leave a question now because we're going to wrap it up shortly. We're tired as F and hungry.
More tired right now. More tired for sure. Someone is asking about S. You want to do it, CM?
I'm on it. I'm on S. Okay. SUSDT. That's
the weekly chart, is it?
Oh, thank you. Well, SUSDT is now trying to break this level. Actually, I think I have alerts here. So yeah, once it breaks that level, I might be interested in buying the breakout. But at the moment, I'm just, chilling with my life. Nothing for me, nothing special for me. If it breaks out and I missed it, and I will miss it, then I'm going to wait for a retest maybe to scoop it back. But maybe I'm going to pass on it because we have other bangers banging positions, and we don't want to trade dead coins or like rubbish, you know.
It's lagging. It's lagging, man.
Yeah, it should have been pumping as F already, but it's not. So that's not good sign.
Yeah,
Is
for
if
sure.
is if dead?
It
Um,
got resurrected, man.
no, I actually was at the cemetery of crypto coins, and I didn't saw the ETH grave yet, but it might go there later, man.
It
It's
might.
not dead. It's not dead. It's just a little. It's just bearish. It's just still bearish. Macro picture still bearish, man. It's not. It's not. It's not bullish. It's not. It's not. It's not a mega trade now. You know. It's rubbish.
See, I
Alrighty.
mean, they had an upgrade, and supposedly the upgrade is what made people just lost track of ETH. Even myself, I would admit, I lost track on ETH. It was in a bear trend. We shorted it, made money shorting, and all of a sudden it got the love. So we can't say ETH is dead just yet because all of a sudden it got resurrected and made in a few days like 40%. Remember, this is the second biggest crypto on planet Earth. When the second biggest crypto on planet Earth makes 40% in 3 days, it means something. Okay, it means that there is a renewed interest in it, even though it might be just coming out of people didn't forgot about it and there was just low liquidity on exchanges, so it was easy to pump the price. Look, what I would argue you should do if you're interested in ETH is wait for some sort of a pennant, find a way for you to kind of look at something like this, kind of volatility contraction, see how it behaves, and maybe this can give any continuation trade. If this happens, I will be all for ETH. But if ETH just fizzles down from here, which means this was just like short covering or whatever, then probably going to go to the graveyard. But I would argue that maybe with this, renewed buying, then this can actually make a continuation trade, CM. It's actually lovely to see it coming out of the death.
It's on my radar for for a breakout trade and such, but I'm not gonna flip bullish on it. I'm not gonna flip bullish on it till as long as it's below 4,000. For me, it is still bearish.
It's all
But
a time frame thing as well, right?
yeah, it's all a time frame thing, and obviously I'm gonna take a breakout trade if it will set up nicely.
Exactly.
But I have others, man. While ETH was pumping, virtuals pump 150%. So
For
why the
sure.
F would I take F in ETH when I can take virtual and print my fucking life up in like in a beautiful way, and I had other trades, that pump much more than ETH. So
For sure. For sure.
people are just focusing on trash. They're focusing on trash instead of focusing on the gold. On the even
Oh,
Casper
good.
pump more than this.
Oh,
Casper.
it's all good, man. They made money. Let them make money. If we can make a continuation trade on it, beautiful. If not, for your question, Mr. Res90, it's not dead yet. But there are stronger coins, much stronger coins. We believe that can continue and make you more gains. John.
Absolutely, Mr. John Gloven. Thank you for trading with us, my friend. I'm gonna keep you posted later for another update for the members. Just managing stops and stuff like that, because probably people are like, "Ooh, something is coming." So we're gonna just tighten up our stops and update all the members ASAP. Mr. Hamid, I am using 200 DMA just because of you. Yeah, man, this is the best moving average. Congrats to you. I actually use the SMA, but it's the same, man. It's the same. I prefer the SMA, but you know what? Maybe the EMA is better for crypto because it's faster. It's fast moving. It's more it's more
It's calibrated to the last, candles instead of all the candles in average. That's what you're saying.
Hola,
Oh,
señor. Hola,
hola,
señor.
Ferry. ¿Cómo está, bendito? ¿Todo bien?
Yeah, well, guys, thank you, guys. Make sure to click the like, subscribe, share it on your X, please. Join us. Join us our webinar next week to prepare for the last
Must.
bull run.
This is a must, man. They must join the seminar next week. They must. If you don't join this seminar, which is dirt cheap, then you're doing a disservice to yourself. We made this seminar for you guys, for us to pass the knowledge in less than 3 hours, and this is going to be recorded for life. You're gonna go come back to this world to learn how to master any bull trend, how to make money, what to expect, what not to expect, what is regular usual action, what is abnormal action. You must come to it because this is for you. You will learn how to make money and how to keep the money. We know how much it hurts to lose all the gains you made in one bull market, lose it all back. It hurts. It physically hurts. We know that. So we're going to teach you how that will not happen to you. Scan the QR code. Now, it's right there on the screen and on the upper left side. Use free money that we gave you 20% off. Use it. It's next week. So you better, reserve your spot now because it's limited availability. We can't, host everyone for something so cheap and so good because this is amazing. We made it amazing.
Yeah, man, it's 120, no? It's 120 and you got the
Yeah.
20% off with the coupon, man. So just
Yeah,
drop the coupon inside and buy
exactly.
buy yourself this webinar instead of buying a bunch of Coke Zero and ice cream for your little dog.
Exactly.
Just stop feeding him nonsense and just buy yourself
the,
a crypto education, man.
the dog, that's funny, man. Mortgage the dog to put the seminar, man, to buy the
Drop the
seminar.
dog. Throw the
Drop
dog
it.
of the window. Throw the dog of the window, man. And buy Shiba Inu.
Hey, we are dog lovers right here. Peace and love to all dogs. We love dogs, man. Dogs rock.
Thank you, man. Click the like. Share it on X, man. Give us some love. Licky love. We want the love, man. Where is the love, man?
Where is the I don't do you smell it, CM?
What? No.
I'm not smelling it. I'm not smelling the cooked like button, man. Usually it's cooking. I can smell it. It's not
Oh, man.
cooking
Yes.
today.
They're tired today. People are
They're
exhausted.
tired. Where
People
is
are
the
exhausted.
fucking smell? The cook the likes button and subscribe to this
It's
channel,
very hard
man.
for them to move the finger like this. It's very hard. It's a very hard act. If you compare this movement to doing a deadlift with 200 kilo each side, I think this is harder, Jumbo. What do you think?
Okay, maybe, man.
Bro, let's look at this one. I won't be able to be there live, but I'll be able to watch later. Absolutely, my
Yes.
friend. You buy once and you can revisit and rewatch it over
Right.
and over and over. And also show your dog as well the webinar. Show your mom, sister, everybody, man. Show the webinar to your girlfriend, man. She will get turned on. You're gonna take her on the spot to the bush next to your car, and you just going to send her to the moon, man.
No, man, now for real, this is going to be recorded and saved, okay? This is going to be recorded and saved on
Yes,
our platform, right? On
yes.
the WAP, on the platform. So go check it out. Definitely make sure that you check it out because, hey, it's next week. Just reserve your spot so you don't come late next week. Everything's going to be full and you miss out on something that is so good, all right? And this is going to be recorded. You can see it whenever you want to at home, next week, next month. You can revisit it and learn, okay?
Well, guys, thank you guys for watching. Cook the like, subscribe, share it on your X. If I see we don't have any other question for coins or trading mindset, here, so we're gonna just wrap it up. You have a wonderful day, a wonderful afternoon, noon, or midnight, wherever you're from, and yeah, consider joining our services, man. Because if we're gonna get a pullback now, that's gonna be amazing opportunity for you guys to enter the most leading cryptocurrency and print money with us. Brr, 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 brr. Because that might be the last opportunity to scoop some nice breakout trades before they go parabolic, real parabolic.
Exactly. Exactly. We're gonna wait for you in the bull market seminar happening next week. Cheers, CM. Thank you. Until next time.